We'll solve a formula for a given letter. We're asked here to solve t equals ab over a minus b for a and then for b. And when you're taking a test, be careful to read the problem completely before you start. Here, notice that we're going to have to solve for two separate letters. We'll have to do the solving twice. Let's start by solving for a. To do so, we'll multiply both sides of the equation by a minus b to clear the fractions. So we have a minus b times t equals a minus b times ab over a minus b. This simplifies to multiplying here at minus bt equals, and this simplifies to ab. Now I'm solving for a. When I solve for a, I want to get all the terms that contain a on one side of the equation, all the terms that do not contain a on the other side of the equation. So I will add bt to both sides of the equation. I get at equals ab plus bt. And then I will subtract ab from both sides of the equation. What I'm left with are two terms containing a on the left side of the equation. Now the key to solving for a, once you've got to this point, is to factor a out. Factor in a, I have a times t minus b equals bt. And now if I divide both sides of the equation by t minus b, I will solve for a. So I have a equals bt over t minus b. Notice that a is by itself on one side of the equation and a does not occur at all on the other side of the equation. So I've solved this for a. Now I want to solve for b. To solve for b, I begin with the equation, and the first step is the same. I multiply both sides of the equation by a minus b. And doing that will clear fractions. And multiplying, I have at minus bt equals ab. Now, since I'm solving for b, I want to get all the terms with b together on one side of the equation. So I add bt to both sides of the equation, and I get at equals ab plus bt. Now I have all the terms containing b on the right side of the equation. I factor b out of that. So I have at equals b times a plus t. And now to solve for b, I divide on both sides by a plus t. And I get b equals at over a plus t. Again, since b is by itself on one side of the equation, and there is no b occurring on the other side of the equation, I have solved for b.